Here's the last one here. We can still use this permutations idea. In a region, vehicle license plates consist of 2 letters, followed by 4 different digits. So 2 letters. If the letters L, G, and O, and I cannot be used, 26 minus 4, that means 22. And we've got to have different, so the next one's 21. And then we're followed by 4 different digits. Those are our digits. So we could have 10 for our first choice, then 9, then 8, then 7. Okay, so 22 times 21 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7. And that gives us this huge number, 232,000, or 2,328,480. And if we use permutations, then that's going to be a little bit different. It says we've got 22 things, and we're doing 2 of them, and we're going to multiply that by 10 things that we're taking 4 at a time. And I plug that into my calculator, and I get the same thing. Okay? So kind of neat that there's more than one way to do this using this new notation. And then the last thing we're going to do is look at this formula. N minus 1 pt2 is equal to 90. Well, what does this mean? Well, that means that this here is going to act like our n, and this is going to act like our r in the formula. So I'm going to write my formula like this, n minus 1 factorial, and then n minus 1 minus 2 factorial is equal to 90. So that means n minus 1 factorial over n minus 3 factorial is 90. Take our work up here. N minus 1 is bigger, so I'm going to expand that one. N minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3. There it is, so I'll write the factorial. And that's equal to 90. These two cancel, and by cancel I mean they form a 1. And then I'm going to expand that binomial. So n squared minus 3n plus 2 equals 90. Bring the 90 over to this side. 3n minus 88 equals 0. And I'm asking myself what multiplies to be 88 and adds to be negative 3. And I'm going to use negative 11 and positive 8, which gives us 2 possible answers. Either n equals 11 or n equals negative 8, which is nonsense. N has to be positive, and so the answer for this is 11. All right, we've done some permutations with restrictions and repetitions before, but not with